The tool chest is a powerful feature that stores frequently used tools in groups called tool sets. Revu comes with preloaded tool sets specifically designed for design, review, quantity takeoffs, and other symbols commonly used in the AEC industry. To access the tool chest, select the tool chest panel. If for some reason you don't have the tool chest visible, right-click on the side panel, select Show, and select Tool Chest. With the tool chest panel open, you'll notice a few tool sets available. My Tools is a permanent tool set used to save your favorite tools and will remain even after shutting Revu down. Recent Tools is another permanent tool set that saves the most recently used tools. However, this will reset every time you restart Revu. The rest of the tool sets visible depend on the type of profile you're in. Click the Revu drop-down, mouse over Profiles, and then click Revu. In the Revu profile, you'll notice the Architect, Contractor, and Engineer Revu tool sets, as well as tool sets for measurements and symbols. You can adjust how you view each tool set by clicking on the Settings cog wheel to the left of the tool set and clicking on Symbol, which displays the colored icon of the tool, or Details, which shows the icon of the markup, subject, comment, and label of each of those markups in a chart. In the tool chest settings, you can also set the scale of the tool. This is useful when working with documents with differing scales, as your markups will then adjust to the document automatically. To set the scale, enter the known scale or use the Calibrate tool to measure a known distance, like a door. Once satisfied, click OK. To export a tool set, click the Tool Set Settings and click Export. Revu will ask to save the tool set on your computer, and from there, you can send that file to your co-workers. When working with tools from the tool set, you have two options. In Properties mode, the Markups tool will look like a normal icon, but with its custom color. This allows you to duplicate only the color and appearance settings of the markup while still creating a custom shape. In Drawing mode, it will duplicate the shape and appearance of the markup as it appeared when first created. You can tell if the tool is in drawing mode as it displays a preview of the markup. Double-click on the tool to toggle between these modes. Keep in mind that you can customize any of these tool sets by adding custom markups to them. Select the markup, then click the type icon from the Properties toolbar. Click Add to Tool Chest. Then select the tool set from the drop-down menu. If you need to delete a tool from a tool set, right-click on the markup in the tool set and select Delete. Click on the tool chest title to activate the drop-down menu. From here, you can show or hide active tool sets in that profile or add new tool sets by clicking Manage Tool Sets. From this dialog box, you can import a Revu tool set, export a selected tool set, or add your own. In the Create Tool Set dialog box, name your tool set. There are 3 options you can check on and off for your profiles display. Showing all profiles and relative path, which stores the location of this tool set relative to where the current profile is saved. It's a good idea to always keep this last one checked unless you have a reason not to. Click OK once you're satisfied. At the bottom of the tool chest, you can adjust how large the icons are by dragging the size scale.